A validated cleaning process only works if it is carried out consistently, and operators are essential in this process. Operators must follow procedures exactly as designed, recognize routine signals during execution, and know when to escalate issues before they become problems. Although cleaning validation plans and processes are established using a range of defined parameters and conditions, maintaining the validated state also depends on consistency in how the process is executed, across shifts, across personnel, and over time. This means that variability introduced through human factors must remain controlled, so that operator performance continues to align with what was validated. One of the primary ways this is achieved is through structured training and qualification. Initial qualification confirms that personnel are capable of performing cleaning activities at the time of validation or process introduction. However, maintaining the validated state requires more than a historical training record. It requires ongoing competence. Changes to the cleaning process, equipment, or procedures, execution-related deviations, or trends showing increasing variability may all signal the need to review or reinforce competence. Training records should therefore support validation expectations by demonstrating that personnel involved in cleaning activities remain appropriately qualified for their roles. The objective is not to prescribe a specific training system, but to ensure continued alignment between validated assumptions and day-to-day execution.